What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Try It with Tim. Today we got something really special from LeatherUp. As being a team member, I get some really cool gear to try out every month, and on today's episode I have a motorcycle flannel. Check it out. There it is. So I've been testing this out for a couple of days now, and yes, I did leave the tag in so you guys can see that it's brand new. All right, so what makes a motorcycle flannel, suitable for riding a motorcycle? Well, first of all, it's got to have armor. What's really great about this jacket, it has armor in the shoulders as well as the elbows. Now, it comes with its own armor, but if you have your own preferable armor, you can always switch that out. It doesn't come with the back armor, but it has a pocket for it, and I was able to fit my regular size D30 back armor in the back. So the first thing when you're looking for the most basic of motorcycle gear is you want to have armor in the areas that you're going to go down. So now that we've got the armor taken care of, the next thing we need in a motorcycle jacket or motorcycle shirt is some abrasion resistance. And the great thing about this jacket is that it has this cotton denim material throughout, and it also has extra Kevlar protection in the elbows as well as the shoulders. The next thing I love about this jacket is all the pockets and storage that it has. Super happy that it has a pocket right here where you can put your headphones, and it has a little hole where you can loop it through, so if you listen to music you can run that through. Also, it has a very deep pocket here. You can keep whatever you want in there, carry concealed if that's legal in your state, but for me, maybe a journal or something like that. And another pocket right here, kind of like a vertical pocket. So lots of cool pocket space, guys. You're gonna be good. And of course you have your front pockets over here that snap up just like that. So what's also cool about this motorcycle shirt is that it has a zipper and the button setup. So basically you have both of these so you keep the wind out as much as you can, because once the wind gets in there your jacket poofs up and then you're cold, and it's never good. All right, so this is what it looks like all buttoned up. So let's talk about the fit and the sizing. I'm going to be on the slimmer size, and usually I'm between a small and a medium. So if you're wondering what type of fit you are, I'm going to say that this is more of an American fit. So it's going to run a little bit bigger compared to like a European fit where it's like I guess more slim and tapered. So it does fit me a little bit on the bigger side, even though I got a small. But what's great about that is you can definitely layer it up. Right now it's pretty warm, but if I were to leave at night, I could definitely layer this up. You could throw a hoodie up underneath or a thermal, which I have, and it fits perfectly. You don't feel restricted or all bunched up. It looks like a flannel, but fits a little bit more like a jacket, which I like actually. For a more tapered look, I usually rock this with a motorcycle vest. Here's my vest right here. I like the extra wind protection. Since it's tailored to fit you, it's also going to keep this nice and snug. So your back armor is all right up against you, and everything just overall feels a lot more tailored and fit. Very comfortable. So overall, I'm really enjoying this motorcycle flannel, and if you're looking for something that's more on the casual side but still offers that protection, then something like this is definitely the way to go. Now that it's heating up in California, this is something I'm going to be wearing every single day, and usually I wear a leather jacket, but it's like super heavy, and every time I ride to work I'm already sweating by the time I get there. This one's like really lightweight, gets a lot of good airflow, and it's pretty versatile. You can layer it up, you can throw a vest over it, and you still get that really cool casual look. You can go to the office. And what's great about these flannels is that on LeatherUp.com there's all kinds of different colors. You can get more urban patterns, or you can get something really bright to be more visible. They got orange, bright green, a bunch of different colors. So compared to a lot of other companies I've seen, there's a lot more variety over at LeatherUp.com. Alright guys, well thank you for watching. I hope that I gave you guys some useful feedback on this flannel. Feel free to take a look at other colors on LeatherUp.com. I'll leave the link below, as well as my code tryit20 for 20% off your entire purchase. As always guys, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Ride safe. Peace.